I'm going to show you how to make changes to your website. Since you have two locations, it's a little bit different. So I'm going to show you how to make changes to each location. So for example, we have the Friendswood location and the Grand Mission location, right? So let's say you want to change the menu or update some prices on the Grand Mission location. So what you would do is you would log into the back end. Once you're in the back end, you'll see a button on the top left called My Sites. Do you see it right here, My Sites? Yeah, press Network Admin, press Sites. Once you do that, what happens now is you'll see the Grand Mission location right here, and you'll see the Friendswood location. The Friendswood has this name, the Grand Mission has this name. So the way you can tell is if it doesn't say Grand Mission, that means it's the Friendswood, okay? So, and then press Dashboard here. Once you press Dashboard, what's gonna happen is what we'll do first is we'll work on the menu here. So we have the order online, right? And then we're gonna choose Grand Mission. And then what we're going to do now is we're going to update this menu here. This menu is from your Clover POS. So if you made lots of changes on your Clover POS and you want it to reflect here, so all you do is you do a sync, right? So you press Clover Orders, Settings, and then you'll see a button called Import Sync Inventory, which is right here. So here's how we can tell which page we're on or which location we're at. It'll say Grand Mission right there. That means all the changes we're making here will affect Grand Mission. So let's say you changed lots of stuff and you wanted to update on the website. Just press Update Order Types, Update Modifiers, Update Categories, Update All Items. Most people don't change their taxes, but if you did, just press Update Taxes. Even if you didn't change your taxes, it wouldn't affect it if you still press this button. So it just double checks your inventory and makes those changes. If you, let's say you deleted lots of stuff from your Clover inventory, use Clover inventory, use clean inventory to remove all the anything that's should not be there. Okay, and that's this setting I'm showing you here is for this order online page. Okay, this is not your menu, this is your order online page. Okay, so let me go back here again. Okay, now let's say you want to hide something. You press Categories and Items. All these items are visible because they're blue color. Let's say you don't want to sell Al-Hadi School. So you just go like that. Okay? You don't have to press Save. Just do that and it'll disappear. Okay? I'm going to leave it enabled for you because I'm not sure if you're offering that or not. Dealerships. You can just turn that off as well if you're not offering it. Where is that located? It's under Categories and Items. Let's say you want to reorder your categories. Press the Reorder button here. Let's say you want pizzas to appear first, and you can reorder it. Let's say you want to hide a modifier group. Let's say you want to hide the crust, you can hide it. Let's say you want to hide regular hand tossed, you can hide it like that. This is the modifier, this is the modifier group. Again, you have lots of different options here that you can do. So you just the back end, you can do lots of different things. So feel free to go through here. If you get stuck, you can click on video tutorials, or you can also click on right here, you see where it says Feedback Help, and then click this button. It has some nice tutorials on how to do other changes as well. Okay, now let me talk about this page here, the menu, the Grand Mission menu. This is your menu for Grand Mission. This one requires, since it's not coming from the Clover, it's like a page. The changes for here is different. So here's how you make the changes for that. First, you make sure you're on Grand Mission location. Now to change the actual menu, which is this one right here, the actual menu, which is like a PDF menu. This one is text, image, or text-based menu, so it's not linked to your Clover. So this one you have to change manually, and I'll show you how to do that. It's very simple and straightforward. So what you would do is you go on your dashboard, the same place you were before, but this time instead of selecting Clover orders, because it's not part of Clover, it's like a PDF menu, you press Pages right here, Pages. But make sure you're on Grand Mission right here. Make sure you see Grand Mission. Press Pages, All Pages. And then what you're going to do is you're going to find Grand Mission menu right here. So this is the order online page where people order online. This is your Grand Mission menu. Press Edit right here. Once you press Edit, you'll see the back end of this page. And then you'll see a button here, a big purple button called Edit with Menu Builder, or sorry, with Divi Builder. Press this right here. Okay, right here. Press this button and it'll allow you to make changes to it. So let me show you what I mean by that. So this menu right here, you have your categories on top, and then you have your items below it. So right now you can view it, but you can't change it. So you have to do it from the back end. So right now when I press edit with Divi Builder, I can change it now. Watch, I can click on here and I can change $12.49 to $1.49. I can click on calzones and I can change it to $12.79, right? So that's how you do that. And once you do all that and you change your menu prices, what you do is, see the little purple button at the very bottom? Let me scroll up so you can see it better. Right there. Do you see this purple button? Press it and then press save, okay? And this will save it, any changes you made. But since I'm not gonna save it, I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. But let me show you how to change your other menu, which is your Friends with menu. If you want to change your Friends with menu, you follow the same steps. The main difference is that you're gonna choose the other location. Press My Sites right here. Discard and exit because I'm not gonna save my changes. And then the main difference you're gonna do is you're gonna choose a Friends with location. How do you do that? You're gonna press right here. This is Friends with location. Press Dashboard. And then from here, what you're gonna do, you're gonna press Pages, All Pages. See, and then you're gonna find Friends with. Okay, Friends with menu right there. See it right there. Press Edit. And once you press edit, you'll do the same thing as how you did with the Grand Mission menu. You're gonna press edit and you're gonna press edit with Divi Builder. This way, it'll allow you to make changes to the Friends with menu right here, okay? And that's how you do that. So I'm gonna press edit and I'm gonna press this button. And then once you press it, I let it load, and then you can go ahead and change anything from here. But because your email was based off of the Grand Mission menu, you wouldn't need to make these changes. But if the time does come and you want to quickly come in here and change the specials to like $2.99 for the soft drink, you can come back here and do that. You just do it from back here. See how I can change it? I can click on here and change it. And once you finish doing that, just press this and then save right here, okay? And that's how you make the changes. Pretty easy. Again, just to recap real quick, everything's from the back end. Let me just go back here again. So again, let me just go over here so I can click on one site for you. Actually, I'm already here. Let me just go to the main location, the Friends with, the first location. Just to recap, this is your Clover menu, okay? Pages will be your, when you press Pages, Friends with menu or Grand Mission menu, that'll be your PDF menu, okay? And that's how you make those changes. And again, you can do additional changes like I mentioned before from here. You can do lots of different things. Like for example, let me give you one example of how to hide a category or how to hide an item. See, if you want to hide a category, I'm pretty sure you already know this one. Just swipe this to the left. If you want to hide an item, you click on here, right here, items, images, description, and you can just hide from the website or add, enable out of stock. Okay, you can do that from there. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It should be pretty straightforward. If you get stuck, just press Clover order settings right here, and then what will happen is you'll get the documentation page, which is under feedback help, and then click on this. It has nice, easy to understand documentation, and then or you can watch the video tutorials as well.